Do it now. So I am taking R to infinity now. So the object is placed at infinity distance. So optical center C. Let me draw the principal axis. Principal axis. So what will happen to our principal axis? So here we have F, and here we have 2F. Speak here. F dash and 2F dash. Is it yes or no? F dash and 2F dash. Insert the incident ray parallel to the means object rays is coming from infinity distance. So infinity distance means parallel beam of light. Infinity distance, parallel beam of light. What will happen? Parallel beam of light. So after striking the lens, so they all will go divergent away from the lens. Perfectly draw, use scale and draw. So all the refracted light rays will feel that they are coming from the focus. Understanding? So that is the case number 2 where the virtual image formed by understanding. So if you place the object at infinity, image will form at the focus. Is it okay, da? Understand, da? All of you? So here the characteristics: virtual, understanding, erect, and highly diminished image. Highly diminished image. Is it okay, all of you? Tell me, please. So this is all about images formed by concave lens. All of you should note it down. Concave lens. So these are the characteristics, and this is the images which we used to obtain by concave lens. All of you draw fastly. This is the second number, case number 2. At infinity, we will place the object at infinity. So this is what will happen. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Have any doubt, you can remember and you have to ask me. So this is the case number 1 and this is the case number 2. So now I hope you understand. If anybody is having any doubt, you can ask me. So with this, the images formed by concave and convex lenses, everything is over. Now somebody should say me. So the next concept which you have to remember is Cartesian, new Cartesian sign convention. All of you write it down. Keep heading. New Cartesian sign convention. Next concept is new Cartesian sign convention. Cartesian sign convention. Sign convention of a lens. So now, please tell me, you take x-axis and y-axis, all of you. So this is what x-axis and y-axis, like exactly as you tell me. This is already not new thing, but you should tell me. So minus x coordinate and plus x coordinate. So what is the sign convention? Always light rays will go what? Parallel to the principal axis from left to right. Is it yes or no? From left to right. All of you, do you understanding, Ra? So from left to right, always the incident ray light will go. So left to right. So in same direction, positive. Opposite direction, negative. Do you understand, Ra? Yes or no? So now,
Yes,
when the light rays is inserted left to right, always in a straight line. So remember, when whatever it will go to the right, this side, if it will go like this side, then we used to call it as V equals to positive. What we should call? V equals
to positive.
Means in the lenses, understanding lens, in the case of lenses, here the real image will form. All of you should remember. This is what the coordinate where the real image will form. V is always positive. So now, if it comes to here, when we are moving opposite to the incident ray, opposite means what? Right to left. Right to left. Understanding? All of you, do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
To left means
Yes,
opposite to that. Opposite to that means what it is? Negative or positive?
Negative.
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 So when we are moving right to left, right to left means like this direction. So here in this coordinate image will form. So this image distance is always negative. So V is equals to always negative. And also as we know that here which image, this image called as, which image we should
Virtual
call?
image. Virtual image.
That is what you should remember, all of you. Will you able to remember or not? Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Now, whatever the lens or whatever the concave or convex lens doesn't matter. I will give the sign convention of virtual image and real image. All of you note it down. Virtual image sign convention. Whenever you are getting virtual image in the case of lenses, and next one is real image. Understand? Real image. So let us see the sign convention very clearly. So let us come to the virtual image. Anybody can able to say first one? What is object distance? Everybody. What is object distance? Always object distance. Prahasini. Object distance is always negative. Can you able to
Negative.
remember? Always object distance is negative. Understanding? Next. Here also object distance is always negative. Here also object distance is always what?
Negative.
Negative, sir.
Next, virtual image will form in the first coordinate so that V is equals to also negative.
Negative.
Virtual. Next here if it comes to real image will form at fourth coordinate. So V is equals to what? V is
Positive.
positive. Understanding? So this is the sign convention for every lens. You have to remember the same thing. Virtual image, real image. Understand? Next, next magnification is always, understand? Magnification is always, understanding, positive. Magnification is always positive. But if it comes to the lens, we have a two magnifications. And also I forgot, V is equals to positive from 2 to 5 case. Is it yes or no? 2 to 6 case. Case number 2 to understanding 6. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
So for case number 1, V is equals to what? Case number 1 V is
Negative.
equals to negative for case 1 alone, because by the time it will form, understanding?
Virtual.
What is that? Virtual image. So that is what you should remember. So magnification is always positive. So here magnification is always what? Magnification is always negative. From where to where, all of you? 2 to 6 case. Case number 2 to case number 6. Understanding, Ra? Next, magnification is positive for which case? Peak, yeah. Magnification is positive for case number 1.
Case number 1.
Understand? Next, here. Height of the object is always positive. Height of the image is also always positive. That is what you should remember, because it is virtual. Next, here. Height of the object is always positive, but height of the image is again positive in case 1. In case 1. Next, remaining cases what, Ra? Remaining cases.
Negative.
From which case? 2 to
2 to 6 cases.
that is what you should remember. Understanding, Pranav? Everybody, Dina, Arya? That is you should remember. Next, here. Understanding, whatever it is, here or here doesn't matter. Understanding? Remember. So in the case of here, understanding, virtual image, magnification is always, remember, understanding, one case, virtual image, correct? So that's all. This is enough, Ra. We don't need it. So this is the sign convention for virtual image. This is the sign convention for understanding, real image. So that is what you should remember. Real image. But here you see, case number 1 alone, I am saying. Case number 1 alone, which is comes under what? Again, virtual image. What is that come? Virtual image. Understanding always, all of you? Yes or no? So that is what the sign convention you should remember. So if you want to get confusion, if you want to avoid the confusion, you can remove this virtual image case also. Only remember what is the real image sign convention and what is the virtual image sign convention. That's all. So real image sign convention, forget about the case 1. Object distance is negative, image distance is positive. Understanding, magnification is always negative, height of the object is always positive, and height of the image is always negative. That's all. Understanding? These are the 5 sign conventions. All of you should remember 5 sign conventions which you have to remember in the case of real image formed by lenses. Understand? Virtual image means speaker, you tell the sign convention. Object distance is negative. Image distance
Negative.
is negative. Next,
Negative.
magnification is always positive.
For
The image height of the object is always
height of the
positive.
Positive.
Height of the image is
Positive.
always positive.
Positive.
So this is
positive.
for virtual image. That's all. So if you remember this, you can solve anything. So this is only called as new Cartesian sign coordinate. Understanding? New Cartesian sign coordinate of a concave and convex lens. Will you able to understanding? Prahasini, Pranita, Tarani Pushpa, Yalni. Do you have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Clear?
No doubt, sir.
Because
Yes.
numericals like a shark, understanding, like a shark you should say. That is what within a spark, within a second of time you can able to analyze the sign convention. So that is what I need to know. That is why I am teaching this much. So that if you understand this, then all of you keep hitting lens formula. Lens formula. So as we know lens formula already I have told you. What is the lens formula? 1 by f is equals to relation between, understanding, it will give the relation between focal length, next one what? Focal length, image object distance and
Image distance and object distance.
So 1 by f is equals to what will come? 1 by v minus
1 by v minus 1 by
all of
u.
you should remember
Minus
1
1
by
by
v minus 1 by u. So this f indicates focal length, v indicates what? Image distance,
Image distance,
and u
U
indicates
is equal to object distance.
object distance.
Note it down. Next, from this, can you able to say what is the object distance formula? Calculating object distance formula. This is formula number 1. Next, formula number 2. Object distance is equals to 1 by v.
1 by u, 1 by v minus 1 by f.
1 by v.
This is when they have given v comma f, we have to use this formula. And when they have given first formula, Vendra, when they have given v and u, we have to use this formula. Do you understanding all of you? Next,
Yes,
third
sir.
formula. 1 by v is equals to, what is the formula? 1 by f plus 1 by u. Is it a
1 by
sum?
u.
So 1 by, this is what? Is there any doubt? Akhil Arfan, if you have doubt in this, you ask me. Arya, Dina, Dilipan, that is. So these are the 3 formulas which you should convert, understanding, depend upon the given data. Should not go for direct substitution without changing the formula. That is my first suggestion to all my children. Should not go direct substitution without changing the formula. So this is what we used to call as lens formula. Next, what is magnification formula? Magnification m is equals to, remember, v by u. That's all. Magnification m is equals to what? V by u.
V by u.
Yeah, image distance divided by u means what?
Object distance.
So this is, or else this is when the case of given image and object distance. Also m equals to, I can write hi by h naught is equals to
H of
height
height
of
of
the
image and height of the object.
divided by, next one, height of the height of the object. Very good. So that is, so from this I can compare 2 equations and I can write height of the image divided by height of the object, which is equals to image distance divided by object distance. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what you should remember.
Yes, sir.
Write down all of you. Till here, note it down, and if you have any doubt, you ask me. Everybody must do it. Ashika, do you understand Ashika? Arvind?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Ma Humaira is absent. Humaira is not joined, and Jesse is also again not there. So okay. Check it. Pranav, clear na Pranav? Now, let us see. I will teach you the things that instead of solving the numerical and finding the solution, before itself we can find it. So I will explain you few questions. Later, you will definitely will do your own. So let us discuss that. Understanding. Write the first question, all of you. Numericals, you can write, all of you. Numerical problems related to concave and convex lens. All of you keep reading. Numerical problems. Oh, sorry, before that you should write uses of concave lens. Please, all of you write uses of concave lens. Later we can go for numericals. Uses of concave lens. Please keep reading. Uses of concave lens. First you write uses of concave lens. Concave lenses are used in spectacles. Which spectacles, Ra? Which spectacles? Correct the defect of vision called as myopia. Short second.
Myopia.
Uses of concave lens. Used in spectacles. Spectacles to correct the defect of vision, myopia. So myopia also we can call it as short sightedness. Do you understand, all of you? This is the first use. Next, second use, write it, all of you. It is used as eye lens in Galilean telescope. Used as eye lens in Galilean telescope. Used as eye lens. Eye lens in Galileo telescope. Galileo telescope. Note it down. Galileo telescope. Next, third one. Used in combination with convex lenses. Used in combination with convex lenses. Used in combination with convex lenses. Used in combination. That is only power of combination. That is what you should remember. Used in combination with convex lenses to increase power of lenses in optical instruments. Optical instruments. Next. Concave lens is used in wide angle spy hole indoors. Wide angle spy hole indoors. Used in wide angle spy hole. Used in wide angle spy hole. What is the meaning of spy hole, Ra? Spy hole indoors. Have you watched it? Suppose if you are inside a home, understand? Movies and all you may watch. The door is having some small camera entrance. Have you noticed? Yes, small hole. So that through this, if you're able to see, we can able to see the persons, those who came outside and who is knocking the door, and also like a security. Is it yes or no? We can able to see the large area in the small hole. Understand? So that we can identify the persons who came into our house to knock the door. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what the use. Write it. These are the 4 uses. Understanding? Concave lens is used in wide angle spy hole indoors. 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 That's all. So all of you note it down. So this is all about lenses. So in the next class we'll study, tomorrow we'll study power of lens and all. So now we'll solve the numericals. So let us understand betterly, so easily. So now let us come to all of you, keep heading. Numericals related to the concave and convex lens. First you keep convex and concave lens. All of you keep heading. Numericals related to convex and concave lens. I will teach you the way of understanding the question. Same thing you should follow for everything. That is what you should remember. Right? First question. You can keep heading numerical problems based on convex lenses. Numerical problems based on convex and concave lenses. Understand? Write the first question. Don't try to solve. First observe. How to analyze, I will say. What is the importance of tricks here, I will say. Write it. First question. A convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. A convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a wall. A convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a wall. 12 centimeter from a wall. How far from the lens should an object be placed? Understand? Should an object be placed so as to form real image on the wall. That's all. So that is our question. Now, real image on the wall. Can able to say given? Anybody? Any one of you take given, I will say the answers. Given. Is there anyone? No one. Now also. Nowhere you speak, what you learn here then. Ashika, Arun Gardikayan, Arvind, anybody you can say given data. Tarani Pushpa, Dina, Yalni. Given.
Sir,
Yeah.
focal length equal to 10
What's
centimeters.
the lens name?
Focal.
Convex lens.
Convex.
Convex lens. Tell me, Kevin. Convex lens. Given focal length equals to what?
10 centimeters.
Focal length F equals to, we know convex lens means what? F is always positive. F is always positive. F is always positive. Understanding? Always positive for convex lens. Do you understanding? F is always positive for convex lens. Yes, next. Next what? Image distance V equals to, where they have kept the screen?
12 centimeters.
12 centimeters.
12
So
centimeters.
that is the wall. There it is a real image they are saying. So real image means always positive or negative? V. Real image.
Positive, sir. Positive.
Fourth quadrant. So real image V is always positive. Understanding? So now what they are asking? Where we should place the object? Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no? So object distance. Understanding? U is equals to how much they are asking. You observe very carefully. All of you observe very carefully. You should get, understand, focal length is 10 centimeter and image distance is 12 centimeter. So object distance they are saying, and what is the characteristics they are asking now? We must get what? Real image. Is it yes or no? We must get a real image. So whenever you will come to know F, all of you should remember, whenever you will come to know F, immediately you can keep comma and you write 2F. So what is the 2F here? 2 into 10
20.
is equal to
20, sir.
That is what the first step we should write it. Whenever you will come to know f, immediately you write 2f, 20 centimeter. So now remember the characteristics from where to where the real image will form. When you will place the object characteristics, 6 characteristics we have, correct? So if you want to get a real image, object should be placed where? Object should be placed where? Between f and infinity. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Means
sir.
from
Yes,
case
sir.
number 2 to case number 6, correct? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
means yeah,
Yes, sir.
you must be greater than f. Will you accept it? You must be
Yes,
greater
sir.
than f. Correct or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes.
So
Yes,
f
sir.
equals
Yes,
to how
sir.
much here? F equals to how much here?
10 centimeter.
So that f is understanding greater than, understand, sorry, object distance is greater than 10. So that is also I can guess. How, sir? You see. What is the image distance, Ra? Image distance is what?
12 centimeters, sir.
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter.
A smart brain. I don't want answers. I will say object distance is how much. Now itself I will say object distance is definitely greater than 2f. Will you accept it? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
More than 20 centimeter. It will be more than 20
Yes,
centimeter.
sir.
Any doubt, anybody you ask? I will say definitely it is more than 20 centimeter. How? Any idea, Pranav? Dina?
Sir, because it is because it is between f and 2f, sir.
Yeah, image is forming. You observe very carefully. F is equals to 10 centimeter. So immediately we'll come to know 2f. How much it is? 20 centimeter. Is it yes or no? 20 centimeter. But image, screen is placed where? Screen is placed at somewhere 13 centimeter. Means in the sense of image is forming between f and 2f. Where? Which case? Case number? Case number?
5,
Five.
sir.
Object should be placed beyond the 2f. Beyond 2f means more than 20 centimeter. Do you understanding, Prasini, Akil Arfan? Like this you should analyze. Now, while you are solving, suppose if you will get less than 2f, if you will get, suppose if you will get, because of some sign convention, you will get less than 20 centimeters, then you can, mind will say that it is wrong. Is it yes or no?
Wrong.
So that
Yes,
after
sir.
we can go for re-verification. Or that is what? If you are getting more than 20, then we will get a confidence that yes, I am doing correctly. So later we can go for nature and the height of the image, magnification and all. First itself if we will do the mistake, then later if we will solve also, we don't have any use. Is it yes or no? So that is the reason. So now you can calculate. So what is the formula? Can you able to say? Object distance we should find. So object distance is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by f. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
Sri, are you understanding, Anusri? Numericals is only most important. Kindly focus on it. If you're not understanding, ask me. Arun. Do you understand, Arun? Arya? Next. Substitute Arya. Arya will speak now. Tell me, Arya. 1 by u is equals to 1 by v. How much, Arya? Plus 13 or minus 13? Real image, correct? Real image means?
Minus 13, sir.
Hey, real, Ra. Real.
Plus 13, sir.
Real means plus 13. Next, this is also plus 10. So now you fastly do it. What is the LCM, Ra? 13 and 10. Fastly, all of you. 13 and 10 LCM.
30. 130.
So that is what you should remember. Next, do it fast. So 1 by u is equals to 10 minus 13, which is equals to minus 3 divided by 1.
Minus 3 by 130.
Is equals to minus 130 divided by 3. All of you do it fast and tell me which is equals to minus. Which is equals to minus. Hey, they have given 12 or 13.
43.33, sir.
They have given 12 or 13 image distance, or 12 only, correct? Why I have taken 13? You should say correct. Here image distance is how much, Ra? 12. Then
12, sir.
so everything 12 means what is the LCM, Ra? Arya?
10.
12 means what is the LCM?
60.
60.
60.
60.
Yeah, that
60.
is 60. So now, object distance should come more than 20. Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no? So now, take the LCM is 60. So how much will come? Speak about Solaba, all of you. 60 is the LCM. So here 5 and here
5 minus 6.
That is. So
5 minus 6.
Minus 1 by 60.
1 by 60
Minus 1 by
is equals to
Minus 60.
minus 6.
So, forget about sign convention. Sign convention indicating it is kept at minus x coordinate. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? So that is what
Yes, sir.
understanding. So here object is placed. So that what is it is greater than 20 or not? Object distance is
Yes, sir.
object distance
Greater than 20.
greater than 20 centimeter. So that our answer is what? Our answer is correct. So you can write
Right.
that is. So image is forming somewhere.
Correct.
Understanding real image between
F and Q.
understanding, and here the object is placed f dash and 2f dash and beyond the 2f dash. That is what you should remember. Do you understanding all of you? Put
Yes,
it-
sir.
So that is what you should not do it. Object distance equals to minus 60 centimeter. Do you understand, Ira? Now, is it greater than 20 or not? So it is greater than 20. So I can say that what? It is, my answer is correct. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is like final statement you should write. Final statement all of you write. Thus, the object should be placed. Thus, this is the most important, carries always 1 mark. Remember. Thus, the object should be placed at a distance of. Thus, the object should be placed at a distance of 60 centimeter. The object should be placed at a distance of 60 centimeter in front of the convex lens. In front of the convex lens. In front of the convex lens. Full stop. In front of the convex lens. Full stop. The minus sign shows that. What is the minus sign indicates? Anybody? Kevin? Pranav? Minus sign indicates what? Minus sign indicates what?
It is in the minus x coordinate.
Understanding. It is in, object is in left side of the lens. Is it yes or no? All of you. So if you take x-axis and y-axis, this is left side, this is right side. This is upwards and this is downwards. That is what? Write it. Minus sign indicates, the minus sign indicates that the object on the minus x coordinate, or you can write left side of the lens. Or you can write left side of the lens. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you? Now, if you'll understand this, is it clear? Once if it is completed, you please tell me. Let me know. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will say one question. Don't touch mind itself. Don't write it also. Later you can note it down. We can solve. Mind itself, you try to speak and you tell the answers. Understand? Characteristics. Right. Imagine if an object of 7 centimeter height. What is the object height? Ra? Mind you should remember. Don't
7 centimeter.
Yeah, you want
1 centimeter.
to write in a small, not letters. If the object height is 7 centimeter, be very careful. Object height is 7 centimeter. Understand? Is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of? Is placed
12
at a
centimeter.
all of you try to understand carefully. Object height is 7 centimeter and it is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a convex lens. So, understanding of focal length 18 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Focal length 8 centimeter. Find the position, nature, and height of the image. Without doing, you tell me. Object height is 7. Object is placed at 12 centimeter. Our focal length is 8 centimeter. So now characteristics. Which case first you should say?
Sir, convex lens, sir.